Welcome back to another Vahrenberg Implement Product Informational Series video. And today we're here with the WorkSaver ESCG-48, and this is an electric grapple. You can see the electric cylinder right here. It's electro-hydraulic cylinder, very similar to the same cylinders we use in this baler. We'll jump over here real quickly. And if you look right there, it's not new technology, it's just new to the grapple business. WorkSaver has a patented pending design on this electric hydraulic cylinder to use on a grapple. What's the advantage of that? Well, you can buy the grapple with the electric and not have to buy a third function kit for your hydraulics on your tractor. For example, this older Massey Ferguson that we personally own didn't have skid steer quick attach. We actually created our own custom skid steer quick attach to match the skid steer on the back of this, but it didn't have a third function kit. So with the electric, we can hook right here, we can come down this side over here, and the electric lines are going to follow right here. They go into the tractor to the battery, and you can mount the switch on the handle, or what we did was we mounted it here for up and down. And you hear that? That is over protection. Just hang on one second, you'll hear better. It's got a ratcheting clutch at the end so you don't overextend it or underextend it. But you can see here, by pushing the button, it closes the grapple, and then push it the other way, we'll open it. We're actually going to get on here, fire it up. We're at the wood pile here. We're going to try to pick up some wood and show you how this thing operates. But it is a new option, available, great for subcompact and small compact tractors like the 1526 here, that you don't use all your loader lifting capacity on the implement. So we're going to check out this WorkSaver 48 CG-48S grapple that's available. There you can see the cylinder extended. So it's an alternative. It's going to save you some money. You're looking at a third function kit in the $1,000 to $1,200 range on most tractors, plus a $2,000 grapple. This one you can get into both of them, save you $500–600 bucks if you don't need third function auxiliary hydraulics on your loader. One other quick tip that comes standard equipment with the WorkSaver is these skids. They actually are stands that will, when you take the grapple off, it'll keep it standing upright position, so it makes it easier to hook and unhook. We've stacked up a little bit of wood here out of our wood pile, and we're going to come in here and show you the WorkSaver electric grapple picking up Man, these things make life easy, especially when you get into tree limbs and brush and that type of stuff. It's a little harder with this dimensional lumber to pick up, but that's all I've got here at work right here today to show you all the electric grapple from WorkSaver. Check out the all the WorkSaver products. This is just another example, another way to upfit your tractor to meet your needs and your budget needs. Check them out. Come, if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're located right here on Highway 13 and Business 13 at that first stoplight in Higginsville, Missouri, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, just 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line. Come see us. The snow is melting, spring is near. Come get your Massey Ferguson and your WorkSaver attachments and stuff here at Vahrenberg Implement, the dealer that'll help you customize your tractor to fit your needs and fit your budget needs.